It's gonna look really nice and clean. I think I should stick to 17 so I don't go too thin. Okay. Next. Oh, the side first. True. 1 out of 8. It's only 42 times. Gotta redo the clamps. Smells like wood. Cause if it takes it too much material, it's not gonna be good. Bad things will happen. You smell that too, Astra? I'm glad. Somebody's making it wood in here. I am routing using this guy to take off that little piece. Man, look at the state of this floor already. All these toolboxes are gonna be pretty full of dust as well. Does look a little bit plastic. It's got metally bits there. Yeah, the yellow looks like plastic. How's your day going, Astra? You having a good one? Been a great day? That's amazing news. I'm happy to hear that. Is it because you just got in here and that made you really happy? And to see all of us? I mean, that is a fair point. Let's do that. Huge. I knew it. I knew it, Astra.